You spend a ton of time perfecting your videos, creating your script, getting your lighting just right, editing them beautifully. And it's all a complete waste of time if you've forgotten to also perfect this, your thumbnails. Your thumbnails are often way down the video production priority list, but creating great thumbnails is every bit as important as creating great videos. And I'm going to explain why they're so critical in this video. Plus, I'm going to give you my 3-step formula for a thumbnail that can't fail. So why do your YouTube thumbnails matter? Well, YouTube is a very visual platform, and your thumbnail is basically your first impression. It's what's going to stop people scrolling by, it's what will entice them to click play, and it's what will make them actually watch your video. And if it doesn't interest them, doesn't intrigue them, doesn't make them want to watch, all of that time that you spent creating your video was a waste. Essentially, no thumbnail, no click, no watch. Okay, you get it. So thumbnails are really important. So what does it look like when you do it right? The best thumbnails just look enticing. They make it clear what you will gain from watching the video, and they make it really hard for you to resist clicking the play button. So take this thumbnail from marketing experts Andrew and Pete. So not only does it look bright, exciting and fresh, it also promises something pretty much everyone is going to say yes to. So how do you go about creating engaging thumbnails of your own? Well, keep watching for my 3-step formula. It's going to help you create click-inducing thumbnails every single time. Step 1 is to think about your branding. So YouTube is a pretty busy place these days, so it can be a real struggle just to make your videos stand out, which is where your branding comes in. So your thumbnails are an essential part of your overall branding strategy, so make sure you keep your colours, your fonts and your style consistent. Viewers should be able to easily spot your thumbnail when they're browsing through the sea of competition on YouTube and just instantly recognise that it's yours. Now, if you're not sure how to write the perfect thumbnail text, stay tuned for my next step, and it's getting the text just right. So finding the right words is one of the best ways to create a thumbnail that's hard to resist. So just like Andrew and Pete that we saw in their example, think about what the real benefit of your video offers. So is it teaching someone how to work fewer hours, increase their subscribers, or house train their puppy in a week? Whatever it is, make sure it's clear to your audience in your thumbnail. It's also worth thinking about what your thumbnail will look like when someone's viewing it on their phone. So you want your message to be easy to read, you want your text to be short and snappy, keep it ideally to about 3 or 4 words maximum. Now step 3, don't be shy. If you're comfortable with it, it's good to be visible on your thumbnail. Have your face on there and make sure that you've featured at the forefront of your design. So a picture of you looking friendly and animated will encourage people who already know you to check out your video, and it'll be inviting for those people who don't know you yet either. So you've put a lot of thought and a lot of time into creating great videos. Make sure you're actually getting the number of viewers you deserve by including a thumbnail that makes people want to click and watch. If you found this helpful, make sure you don't miss my next video by subscribing now.